What's the meaning of choric? Choric. Choric.
Choric. Choric. Choric is an adjective that describes something related to the chorus. In literature, it typically refers to a type of poetry or drama that features a chorus that speaks or sings as a group and comments on the main action of the story. The word can also be used more broadly to describe any expressive or melodic use of voices, such as in a choral piece of music. Overall, choric implies a sense of collective performance or collaboration, often with a strong emphasis on vocal expression and harmony.